Although butterfly wings are capable of some astonishing feats, do they actually possess the ability to alter the weather? You may be surprised at the solution. Hold on tight because chaos is about to happen. What is the simplest way to explain the butterfly effect? Making an understandable metaphor is one of the finest ways to comprehend a complicated concept. In the context of chaos theory, the phrase, the butterfly effect, was coined in an effort to do just that. If a butterfly flaps its wings in Africa, does it cause a tornado to erupt in USA? It's not intended to indicate that this might actually occur, merely that a minor incident like this, occurring at the proper moment and location, could theoretically set off a chain of events that would lead to the development of a hurricane on the other side of the globe. This phrase was first used by one Edward Lorenz at the 139th meeting of the Association for the Advancement of Science over 45 years ago. It would go on to become extremely well-liked and has since been accepted by mainstream culture. Although the idea may seem a little absurd, it is not meant to be taken literally. The metaphor of the butterfly effect merely aims to show how small, unimportant actions can eventually have a major impact. In other words, slight variations in the beginning conditions can have significant and widely disparate consequences on a system. Such chaotic systems are by definition unpredictable. This concept served as the foundation for the branch of mathematics known as chaos theory, which has been used in numerous situations ever since it was first developed. Some fundamental physics laws are now being questioned by this area of mathematics, especially those about the mechanical and predictable character of the universe put forth by Sir Isaac Newton. The majority of things in nature usually come about as a result of numerous interrelated and dependent cause and effect relationships. This implies they are incredibly difficult and quite likely will never be adequately resolved in practice. For beginners, what is the butterfly effect? First of all, realize that the butterfly effect is merely a metaphor for the branch of mathematics known as chaos theory. In essence, chaos theory is the study of unpredictability, nonlinearity, and surprises. Anyone who learns the theory is taught that we should train ourselves to anticipate the unexpected. In this regard, it differs significantly from the majority of scientific disciplines, which focus on observable patterns to make precise predictions of phenomena. After all, one of the pillars of the scientific method is its reproducibility and dependability. Examples of fundamental phenomena are chemical processes, gravitation, and electricity. In this scenario, chaos theory demands us to abandon the notion of being able to forecast the future with any degree of certainty, at least for extremely complex systems. It deals with nonlinear phenomena, which are by definition hard to forecast or regulate with any degree of accuracy. Simply said, it is impossible to ever know every single data point in a system with absolute accuracy. In addition, it is impossible for us to record and monitor every data point back to the beginning of time. It is just impossible for us to know everything or to even try. For the most part, we are only ever able to approximate such things using our best guess. Because mistakes in any model, equation, or algorithm build up over time, it is impossible to be 100% accurate. Even little starting point variations can cause results to vary greatly. Such systems include turbulence, the weather, and even the stock market. Albert Einstein stated that the laws of mathematics are not certain insofar as they refer to reality, and insofar as they are certain, they are not true insofar as they refer to reality. Additionally, a lot of natural items frequently exhibit the outcomes of the intricate interactions that gave rise to them. Landscapes, clouds, trees, and river systems all have what are known as fractal features. Fractals are infinitely repeating patterns that have a tendency to be infinitely complex and self-similar at various scales. They are made by repeatedly executing a straightforward operation in a feedback loop. Fractals are representations of dynamic systems, or the images of chaos, and are driven by recursion. You'll immediately see that it occurs frequently in nature if you pay great attention to it. We may perhaps avoid activities that could end up being harmful to our long-term well-being by understanding how our ecosystems, social systems, and economic systems are intertwined.